But that's good. Get the shoes. Yo, keep on it. Keep on it. Keep on it. Crooks police. Out of blue light, you know. Yeah, blue. Who's what attacking here? Officer Smiley. It looks like he forced one down and no shoes again. Look where your crutches are.
Yeah, I got the fear of police, man.
Fire away, man. Fire away, man, again.
Oh, you're and talking about only looking at a worm.
Worm? Earth worm.
Come back on and eat it. See what I do here?
Angelina.
Yeah, but want to catch up on the road first.
Angelina.
Alright. Run some other time down. Push out some other time down.
Push
some other time out of yard. Push more time. Who going out there?
Papa, what are you supposed to do?
Subscribe, like, share.
I don't want wine.
Come here, make me here for subscribe. Same time.
I want to hear that.
Start the party. Because.
Hello.
No, we should
Verdel.
Big boy, come here. Come here.
Verdel.
Don't have me attack you, you see that here? Me can remember say when they just meet your father, this is the only thing they get from him. And look how you do it. You can never get nothing more from me again. Go on about your business.
Yes.
Verdel. What is it?
Can I bowl out? Yo.
One thing you know like what mine. Never want to rise and shine. When we reach by the top, them want to be chat. If I want to that and kind. One thing you know like what mine. You don't want to be top and kind.
Why? Pull up the letter.
One thing with bad my people. What is the for people? But them for us people. I like me.
You bad. Pull up.
Yo.
We'll not come again.
Yo, you want your more money pull up.
Tangan road.
Sing,
madam.
They want to start it. One thing you know like bad mind. Never want to see me rise and shine. And me reach on the top, them want to see me top. Never know them that mankind. One thing you know like bad mind. You don't want to see me flop long time. And reach on it. One thing with bad mind. But I'm so flop my day. Right now, so like we.
Yeah! Pull up! How do you pull up? Where's the big moon?
Dancing time. Dancing time. Sing.
You ready, spoon.
Christian and broke out. Rock out, yeah. Check it out.
Them no want rust by energy. I use the eye, don't know watching a peep. No, but mine look some fitty. Have a plus 6 mile if I look over seat. One thing.
Where your feet? You're better than me.
Yo, no, so I go in there. Richard.
Yeah.
You don't need no gun.
I want to have the dance in the ear. Yeah, go on. And I dance in the ear this now. Shot.
Come on, please.
Don't have boss that in our party.
Can you stop fighting people?
Light is coming.
Shot. You hear that?
Light is coming.
I'm not going to shoot. Girl, come now, girl.
So you can't. Me do a children give.
Let's say I give it here.
Where are you? Okay. What do you want to do? That's cool, man.
Let me catch you. Listen to me now. Let me catch you run outside yard. We're running out of party. You don't want wine for nobody. You want to drink out liquor. You don't want wine for nobody.
Have man.
So you're going to run.
Hey, hello. It's not a smiling matter now. You gotta get serious now. Somebody with a lawsuit. You gotta get serious.
Chucky, tap in it.
I'm not confused.
Are you trouble?
She a trouble, me officer.
You're lucky up.
Jai, so douche me, officer, I'm young. I want to make a song. No, man, I've been there before. Come on, come outside. Come outside. Come outside. Me? Come on. You run out the yard and go. You see a put some sign and tell him, say, party and keep down there and shut the fire. Come here, Peru, no? Come here, Peru, right? Yeah. Spoonie, go on with you. Oh, Spoonie, I want. Come in, Spoonie, run! You're gonna run! You're gonna run!
I turn our granny hat.
Where you go? Where you go?
What you doing, grandfather hat?
One day in the future, much by one. After.
Why is she running around?
Come on to the girl. Girl, I don't want to laugh. You know the thing, you know. Listen to me now. Yeah, I'll take me a walk from here and have a conversation. Yeah. So, by the time I reach back, I say a few more sweeters and stop them and say, officer smiling. They might keep partying. Can you imagine? The gun gone. Yeah.
Me to come? Oh. You right there, sir? Yeah. Oh.
Say straight out and like that. Don't in a lane, they don't really have no gun down there. This boy, big boys, and mischief maker. But guys, at the end of the day, school, officer. At this we have, them have gun, and we have this. But guess what, I don't believe them have gun down there. Yo, go down there, so. Come here. You sure, sir? You sure you're going to find out with them? Police are people in the yard. What are you do? Lock up somebody.
What Ifama get? Do you know what Ifama get in Jamaica?
Well, I'm trying to correct them down here. And the bed there, so when you have them in the room and you put some look at something on it done.